Okay, so today I'm going downtown. So I really want to try to do a ponytail. It's pretty much going to be just like a get ready with me. I'm a little nervous because my hair has not been done in at least a good month. The naps is napping and the kitchen is not mopped. So I feel like it's going to be a little hard to slick it down if it's not going to be blow dry, especially around the perimeter. I just really hope it come out right because I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair.
Listen, I'm outside the club. You disappeared. We're both wearing nails. I could barely call your ass. Oh, you just touched me.
If this don't turn out right, I'm going to cry. Oh, this is Red by Kiss. Yeah. This is a really good detangling brush. I use this on my hair when it's in this like state or whatever, and it's very gentle. I'm gonna take my blow dryer. This is the Baby Bliss Pro. I should probably actually part my hair for once in my life, but like, no. This better turn out right, y'all. Now that wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be, honestly. Come on now. Okay. Next is the ponytail. The slick back. I'm scared. Alright, so I got my products right here, and I don't know what's it gonna take. But we're gonna do this, okay? This is step 2. I think I want to put up the back of my hair first and then put up the front of my hair. Now, what are we gonna do? What am I about to do? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm thinking we either take the Eco style, or I do have this bonding glue from Shea Moisture. And I feel like, you know, I'm about to wash my hair after this anyway. I'm thinking we should use the bonding glue. Y'all think I could do that? Because like, this is glue. Gotta be as glue. I'm using both. I think I could use this. Like, if it go on a wig, like, you should be able to use it on your hair. Like, if not, that's a little weird. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. It's very slimy. I definitely put glue on the parts back here that I may need to flat iron. Fuck it, we ball. It's not as high as I want to think. I can't do this. Hold on. I'm gonna take some baby wipes. This is okay. This is not gonna fail. Okay. Do I want it to look like this? Do I want it higher? I think this is good. Yeah, I don't really feel like redoing it or nothing, so if it's not. So I'm not gonna use this again. Because now my hands feel uncomfortable. Yes, I do flat iron my edges. I just put glue on the back of my head. Like, you thought I was finna go flat iron. My hands are so sticky from that glue. Like, that's a little concerned. just a little. I think I should just spray it. We're just gonna take the got to be. I think we're just gonna take the got to be good. Let's get started on the ponytail. I watched this girl on YouTube. She had took a rubber band. Do I want to use black? These rubber bands are already open and they easier to see. So, yeah. So she had twisted the rubber band. The ponytail. And she took the end of the ponytail and you see that? I hope this is gonna work. I think I saw the girl take it at the bottom of the weft. I'm gonna get real quiet because I don't know what I'm doing. Bottom of the weft. So now I'm gonna take a bobby pin and wrap the weave around the ponytail. So after a while, she had put bobby pins like through it. I wish bobby pins were like clips. You could just open them. You shouldn't have to do all this. Okay. Stop playing with her. This is gonna be interesting. Should I tie this one with a rubber band too? I think we should try it. This is gonna be so hard to get out. Come on, bobby pin conjunction. My arms. This is the part that I'm a little nervous about. So, third bundle. Hopefully this don't look stupid. Like, my hair is thick. Like, the ponytail should be a little thick by the last bundle, so. Okay, maybe I should stop overthinking it and just do it. Just wrap it. Y'all, if a bundle come out, I'm just gonna be so like, I'm not gonna be in places where bundles can come out, you know? And I just took one of these bobby pins out. So, we gotta wrap this up. I'm tired. I'm so scared. I've never had a ponytail, so can y'all see like if this is really bad or not? I cannot see. Okay, I'm gonna go look at this in the mirror and we'll talk, okay? Y'all, it is 2 years later and almost 3, and that ponytail was cute as fuck. I did not see. If I would have edited this earlier, I would have saw that it was cute. Cause I cannot see the back of my head. You can't see the back of my head. That junk was cute. I'm gonna do it again. Oh my gosh! I literally haven't done this since just because I thought it would look like a little mess. This looks so fucking stupid. This looks so fucking stupid. This looks so fucking stupid. And I wanted to take pictures. Like, what? I wonder if I could put this around the ponytail and make it look decent. Does it help? Like, maybe if y'all would see the outfit first, you know, you would get it. And then it covers the part that's like sticking out. I feel like this side I only got one contact in, by the way, so I feel like this side of my head looks weird, but it could just be like me. This is gonna look intentional. It's not. I don't know if I'm really feeling this like at all. I feel like I gotta look at myself in some different lighting. Okay, I'm gonna go put in my other contact and then we're gonna get started on my makeup.